Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you about my margins because I use small little memo notes here, and I can use larger paper if I want, but I like to use little memo notes because these are just my thoughts throughout the day. So currently my margins are set pretty wide. They're like standard paper. So here's my starting line, there's my ending margin, okay? The cool thing about this typewriter is that it has something called a magic margin button. That's over here, and it's on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this to where I want my margin to start, right here. And I hit that button and it keeps the margin there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side because currently it's all the way over here. So I'm gonna set it to here. And there's my margin now. So, to there, to there. And that's how I do it. So, this is the boundary I set for this paper size. I can also set the letter spacing. So right now it's just a short little line spacing. So what I'm gonna do is move it to 2. This is essentially 1.5 line space, or I can set it to 3. This is essentially 2 line space. There you go. So those are just some of the ins and outs of this really cool typewriter.